My friends, it's Coach Vigue. This is a 10-minute yoga for complete beginners. We're going to ease into it, not feeling overwhelmed. This is great for someone who's never done yoga before. If you know someone like that, share it on. Of course, do it yourself. All right, it's a little chilly here in Decatur, Illinois. My head gets cold. Follow along in real time. Make sure you click that thumbs up button right now, and let's go. All right, let's begin in a cross-legged position. Modify as needed. Always use control. We're going to start with some shoulder rolls. It's going to get our posture where it needs to be. Should I turn or should I stay here? Okay, we're going to inhale, lift. Then we're going to take the shoulders back and down. So inhale, nice big lift. Relax the jaw. And then exhale back. 3 more times. Great way to get your posture right where it needs to be. Open up the breath. If you want to start that yoga breathing, you can breathe in the nose and out the nose. 1 more time. Good. Shoulders back and down. Chest is open. Tuck the chin ever so slightly so the back of the neck is long and the crown of the head, the top of the head is lifting all the way up to the ceiling. All right. Twist it to the left. Take your left hand back and your right hand right about here, arm right about here. Drop the shoulders. We have a seated twist. Can do it anywhere, anytime. As you exhale, twist a little deeper into the pose. You know, yoga flows like this are evergreen. You can do them anywhere, anytime. Maybe you've been practicing yoga for a year, for 10 years, for a week. You can always come back to these poses, reconnect with them, find something new, and twist to the other side. Shoulders down. Always back to the basics. Inhale, lifting tall. Exhale, twist. 2 more breaths. Back to the center. The arms come up over the head with the inhale. Take this hand down, side bend, reaching up and over, keeping your glutes on the mat. Stretching down the sides. You can do this from a standing position as well. Standing, seated at your desk. Work these stretches into your normal routine. Make it effortless, seamless. Other side. A lot of times when I teach yoga classes, we start in these positions as well. Get our focus going, get our breath going, and start that gentle lengthening of the body. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, cactus arms, palms forward. Pull the elbows back. Shoulders are going to slide ever so slowly down your back. Sliding down, opening up our breath, our posture, elbows almost coming together in the back. Oh my goodness. I can barely stand it. All right. Shake out the arms, shake out the legs. And let's come to child's pose. Good old child's pose. This is a Coach Vigue shirt tuck right here. You take this and go like that. Teach that later. Doing my yoga on the Sean Vigue yoga mat too. It's all coming up Coach Vigue, Sean Vigue. So we sink back into child's pose. You can tuck the toes or tops of the feet on the mat. Notice with the exhales, I'm relaxing down. You can open the knees wider if you like. Amazing pose for your back. For your state of mind, for your peace of mind, you got to add child's pose. It's very calming. It also gives you the hope of so many things to come. I like this. It's very invigorating as well. Breathe into it. Take 3 more breaths. You want your shoulders to be loose. You can always move side to side. Oh, a little movement back there. Little extra credit. Thread the needle. Come forward. Take your left arm. Slide it underneath. I do thread the needle myself every day, as I also pull down my cap like this every day. This arm is forward. If you want more, a little Spider-Man move in honor of my dear, beautiful son. He loves Spider-Man. We kick that right foot out and use that for leverage to press back. Massaging your shoulder, getting rotation, a little blood to the brain. You
could also bring this arm back here or lift the arm up. That's up to you. These are options. Complete beginner means a lot of things. It usually means once you start moving, practicing, you're not a complete beginner anymore. You start getting a lot of experience in a short amount of time. Your body wants more. All right, other side. Wiggle the toes, fingers, right arm underneath. Make it so. Engage. Kick the leg out if you like. These are options. Lots of breathing. Breathe into the pose, into the stretch. Deepen it with the breath. Okay, one more breath, some movement within. And then back to the center, hands under the shoulders, knees under the hips, elbows in, hands and knees position. We're going to do cat-cow. Inhale, round up into cat. You are getting a full spinal articulation here. If your spine and back feel tight, this is going to add a lot of health to it and promise and movement. And then drop the stomach. This is cow. Elbows are in, look slightly ahead. Press into the palms. So you get the U shape in the spine. So I like to say the visual is like a bendy straw. Why did I put my mat upside down? Well, luckily I can read upside down. Modify as weeded. Again, inhale to cat. Usually have it the other way. Little sway side to side, loosen it up. And then drop down. Oh, lovely cow. And then relax. Come on down onto your stomach. Hands under the shoulders. You got to add a cobra. It's a back bend. We're going to extend the legs back. Inhale, lift right here. Forearms down if you like. You have cobra. You can also press up into up dog. That's an option. Knees off the mat. You'll find with me, even in quote beginner flows, I'm going to give you options to show you where you can go once you get comfortable with it. So you don't get stuck. Inhale, lift. Opening the chest, stretching the legs. Exhale, feel that stretch one more time. Good. Complete beginners. And we start to move. Take it back. Child's pose again. Or if you want a little more, we have downward facing dog, the pose from whence all other poses spring from. If you can't decide, go back and forth. We have child's pose, hold it for a few breaths, and then tuck the toes, and we have down dog. You can walk the legs if you like, adding the movement so you don't feel like a block of ice. Whatever you're doing, you got breath. You got breath in those lungs. Keep increasing it. Fill the lungs to capacity and then squeeze the breath out. All right, the big finale here, and you can repeat this as much as you want. The more you do it, the better it will feel, the better your body will adapt. Bring your right foot forward, however, whatever it takes. Drop that back knee. Try to get the ankle and the knee lined up. We have the fingers down. We have a low lunge here. Stretching our hip flexor back here, our quad, working this front leg. If you want more, you want the full low lunge, you rise up, can have the arms down or bring the arms up. Great for your core, for getting nice stability. The feet are staggered, and you can hinge it forward to activate that back leg, the hip flexor, the quad, and find a focal point. 2 more breaths. It's all right here. Pull the arms down. There's those cactus arms. Your friends are going to notice you standing taller, better posture, more breath coming in, more energy. And let's go to the other side. Low lunge. Left foot forward. Use your hand to bring it forward if you like. Or if you have to. Sometimes you have to. Fingers down. There's a cap. Pull the cap down right there. See that? Arms up if you like. Let's pull that shirt down. Got this Lululemon shirt. I've never bought Lululemon, but in Orlando I taught classes for them, so they would pay me in clothes. So I have this shirt. It's actually indestructible. It's like ethereal, is that what it's called in Lord of the Rings? Indestructible. Reaching back, shoulders relaxed. There's that hinge. You'll find it, my friends. You'll find it. Keep practicing, practicing, practicing. And then cactus arms. Cleanse the palate. Oh, nice work, my friend. Shake it out. Very, very important. How do you feel? How was that beginner workout? If it felt great, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and, of course, subscribe and click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. Share it. Share it with everyone you know who needs it. I'm filming this at Christmas time. Can be very, very stressful. Also, moving into the new year, start the yoga, start the flow every single day. All right, my friends, always a pleasure to train with you. It's Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. Hello again, my friends. It's Coach Vigue. I love that we're training together. I love it so much, I want to give you, as a gift, my most popular 30-minute yoga video ever. It's from the Sean Vigue Fitness app. All you got to do is click the first link in the comment section below, and it's yours. Go get it right now.